Sciagraphy and lamina Sciagraphy. So in the previous video we have learned about the basic Sciagraphy of a solid rectangular. So now we will learn about how the Sciagraphy of a point, a line and a lamina is done. So here is a line Sciagraphy. So let's go for a line Sciagraphy of a line. So here you can see there is a point called AB in the horizon plane. You can see the view. So this is the plan view or the top view, and this is the elevation on the front view. So what do we as we learned earlier, this is the sun is at the 45-degree angle. So we draw a line from AB 45-degree, then in the vertical plane we draw a line from point A. So the line here, this line touches the line, ground line first, so it will go around vertical, and here is the AA dash. We have got this point here, this point here is the A double dash. So the Sciagraphy will be this red dash line A. This is the line you can see, as the line AB is touching the horizon plane over here. Now in the next part we will learn about what if a line doesn't touch the horizon plane but is floating on the horizon plane. So let's go for that. So here is another line AB, same line, but this time it is not touching the horizon plane. You can see in the view over here it is not touching, so there is a gap between the shadow, it is not touching here, there is a distance. So how we will do that? Same procedure, from I will draw the lines from this way. Okay, so this is how, this is the B dash and this is the A dash. So just join the AB via the ground line. So here we get the Sciagraphy of the red dash line is the Sciagraphy of a floating line. And on the next part we will learn about how the Sciagraphy of a lamina is done. This is the basic lamina, a rectangular or a square depending on the dimension. So this is also floating above the horizon plane, as you can see in the view. So this is the, as usual, sunlight, and this is the square lamina A, B, C, D. You can see in the plan also. This is floating over the horizon plane by some distance, and this is around some distance from the vertical. So let's see how to draw this then. So how to draw this? Same, we taking a line from C and also taking a line from the horizon plane from C. This is how we get C double dash. Then taking for the line D double dash, we are drawing the line D double dash. Then there's a D double dash line we have got. Same procedure, we will draw line from AB point, and the intersection of the A and B points will be A dash and B dash, and then let's connect A, B, C and D. We connect the lines, and that's how we get the Sciagraphy of the lamina over the plane. So this is how we get a Sciagraphy of a lamina of a square, and it gets to a little bit of complicated shape of a circle. So the circle is also floating. Let's see how to do it. We draw a circle on the vertical plane. This is the plane of the circular lamina. We will draw lines, two perpendicular line and two diagonal line of 45 degrees. So we have get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 point. We got we need the points for the reference to draw this one. So let's go for it, and we take the points from here to here, because if this is this point is A, then this is B, and this is C, D, E, F, G, H. Likewise we are getting this, so this will be C, this will be B and D, and this is A and E. This is how we are getting the points. We need the points for the reference. So let's draw. There will be total 8 point, 8 intersection point of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. So let's go. So we are getting the intersection point A dash, B dash, then we are getting C dash, then we are getting the D dash, then E dash, then we are getting F dash, then we are getting G dash, and finally we are getting H dash. So this is our intersecting points. So joining the intersecting points, we will get the reference line of the Sciagraphy. This is the line of the Sciagraphy, and then the Sciagraphy of the circular is this one. So this is how we find the Sciagraphy of a circular lamina and a spherical lamina. So I hope you have you can do it. So all the best, and thank you.